गोंयांत खवदळ घातिल्ल्या कॅश फॉर जॉब घोटाळ्यांत मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत हांची घरकान्न सुलक्षणा सावंत हिचो हात आसा असो आरोप आपाचो खासदार संजय सिंग हांणी दिल्ली घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत केल्लो. ह्या आरोपाची दखल घेत सुलक्षणा सावंतान खासदार संजय सिंग हांच्या आड दिवचलच्या न्यायालयात मानहानीची याचिका घाल्ली. शुक्रारा ह्या याचिकेचेर परतून सुनावणी जाली. सुनावणे वेळार दिल्लीचे खासदार संजय सिंग हांच्या वकिलान रिप्लाय दिवपाक कोर्टाकडेन वेळ मागला. देखून ह्या याचिकेवेली फुडली सुनावणी 7 मार्चाक जातली.
The defendant has again sought time to file its reply to the injunction application. The defendant has also extended the statement which the defendant had made earlier that they would not make any defamatory statements against the plaintiffs, and all those other statements which the plaintiff has taken an objection to in the plaint will not be repeated. The court has now adjourned the matter to 7th of March, and the defendants are directed to file their reply.
But what about your argument on this?
That will happen on 7th of March. Yes,
Evening, sir.
in the afternoon session.
Okay.
Hearing was there in the case which has been filed by the CM of Goa against MP Sanjay Singh, and we have sought time for filing our reply and written statement in this matter, because as all know that elections are going on in Delhi, and Mr. Sanjay Singh is very busy in campaigning because he being a star campaigner there. So court has granted us time, and now the matter is fixed on 7th of March for our reply and also for argument on the temporary injunction.
So क्या 7 मार्च को प्रेजेंट होने के लिए बुलाया था?
नहीं. This is a civil case and there is no need of he being personally present in the court. Now, second thing that I would like to clear that since reply has not been filed in the temporary injunction, undertaking was given on the last date of hearing that he will not make any such kind of statements till the next date of hearing or till the reply is filed in the temporary injunction application. So it cannot be contoured that he has apologized for making this statement, but it's just an undertaking because we were served on 27 and elections were there, and since he was busy we could not prepare the reply, and hence court has given a direction that you should not make such a statement because usually in the normal course such kinds of directions are being given.
So Selection Sanant also has allegation on the 100 crore defamation. What about you say on this?
Yeah, we will file our reply. In that everything will be cleared.